Hello, this is Dr. Avila with Avila Physical Therapy, and I want to thank you for taking time to view our new facility at 1726 Braeswood Drive. That's in between Airline and Staples off of Williams Drive. So you had a chance to view our waiting and reception area. Now here what you'll see is our newly remodeled gym area. So this is where most of the visits will be carried out. And as you can see, we have plenty of space to carry out individualized sessions with each client that comes in. And this is again where most of the rehab portion of the visit will be carried out. And here we'll take a look at our treatment rooms, another option to get even more individualized care, and also where we carry out our initial exam the first day you come in, really diving deep into what your goals are and what we want to accomplish with your visits here. And we'll come back around and take a look at the reception area where you'll have a chance to check out and update all your visits going forward. And if you have any questions, give us a call, get started today. We'd love to learn more about you.